Yo guys, what's happening? Welcome to another video. So on the last few videos, obviously you've seen me working on the rear diffuser. We have now got that done. It's all on, the underplate is on, and as you can see, I've got the spoiler out. Still needs work doing to it. I ended up reinforcing the spoiler that I had. Still unsure whether I'm going to keep this spoiler, if I can get it to a decent standard, or I've been looking at a different one. So I'm going to see what I can do with this. It is now carbon skinned, so it just makes it a bit more sturdy, because when you get these, they're a bit flimsy. When you get up to speed, they tend to like flop apart, and I was getting a bit wary if it were going to come off or not. It's now solid, so this has got 2 layers of carbon skinning on it. Still not in the best condition. The resin on it has lumped up in places, as you can see. So I'm just going to get it on the car for the minute, because it's been in the way, and I'm going to sand the bits down whilst it's on the car. It just makes it a lot easier. These that sit onto the car and hold the spoiler, I think these are about 5.5 to 6 inches. It won't sit in high enough for me, so I ended up getting this parcel here, which came all the way from China. It wasn't supposed to be here till after December, but it turned up. And this here, this is 10-inch lifters. So basically the same thing, but 10-inch lifters. So if you look at, trying to get this out packaging, so if you look at the size difference, these are 10-inch compared to the, I think, the 6-inch. So yeah, there's quite a difference. So it's just going to get it that bit higher. That's probably a better comparison. So yeah, we've got them to go and sit the spoiler. It's really cold today, you know. So I'm going to try to keep it short and sweet. We even got some new bottom brackets with it to mount onto the hood or the boot lid, which is good, because the other ones have started taking the powder coat away and stuff. So that's a bonus. I didn't even realise it came with them, to be fair. So yeah, obviously you've got one for each side. I'm just going to put them back in there so I don't lose them. So that's the plan for today, and if I get a chance as well, I've got a bit of, like, I think it's 2mm plastic sheeting, and I'm going to make some new end pieces, because these ones, they're alright, but they're just not the shape that I want. So I'm going to use these for the holes, try to get a certain basic outline, but get some more. I think I'm going to stick it so it's a bit more flat to top of spoiler, and then comes down more at the bottom. If I get to that, I get to that. If I don't, I don't. The main thing is just to get this spoiler on, and see how it looks, and then we can start sanding it and prepping it to get it clear coated and stick some vinyl on it to go with the rest of the car. So I've got all that laid out, got the jigsaw for this plastic to mark up and cut out, and we've also got some carbon skinned wind mirrors that I've been working on. So they're just standard mirrors, but real carbon skinned over the top of them. They still need work, as I say. There's bits of resin that's come down, so I'll stick some rough sandpaper on them, get them back, and then clear coat them. So parts, check. Tools, check. Keys, check. Open sesame. Right, so all these are now undone from underneath. As you can see. So just shove these to the side, get them new ones on, and then we might be able to place a spoiler on. So I've just got them all out, got all this bottom bit wiped up, and it's come with brand new spoiler brackets and everything, so that's a plus, because I don't need them because I've resined my ones on, so they're no good. But new hardware and everything, so I don't have to buy new hardware, I don't have to paint no up, I can literally just sling these on, which is spot on for me. So them foot plates are now on, still a bit loose, still to tighten them up fully, just left them loose so I can get these footings in. Like so, and then what I'll do is I'll bolt these in and then tighten the bottoms up. It's just so I've got, if I need to adjust these to sit these straight, then I've got a bit of movement to play with. But I'm going to get the bolts through these holes now, and then tighten these bottom ones up from the inside. God, it's getting colder now. So they're now on, nice and solid. Got these connect to the tops and then onto the bottom of the spoiler. So I'm gonna just quickly, I'd love to record it all, but I'm here by myself. So I'm gonna get these on, get the spoiler on, and then show you what it looks like. Obviously, like I said at the start, remember the spoiler it looks shit. I'll put it out there, it looks shit, but it's just because of where the resin's built up on it. So it needs sanding back in places, maybe a bit of resin putting in places, and then smoothing out and clear coating. So before anyone jumps on it, looks shit, I know it needs sorting, there's still bits to do on it. I just want to get it on, get it out way, and it's a lot easier to work on whilst it's on the car. It's a bit fidgety with the shape of it, rolls about and stuff when you're trying to make it nice and plain and smooth, hence why it ain't smooth already. So yeah, I'm gonna throw it on now, guys. So we finally got the spoiler on. It's starting to rain, would you believe it? Every time I work on this car it rains, or whether it's just pants, but yeah, it's literally starting to rain. There's the camera picking it up. Oh. But you can see it's on. Yeah, it's on. But it is starting to rain. You can just see some little water droplets now coming. And with this cold, that ain't gonna be good. It's gonna make me real ill. So I've got to get all the tools tidied up, but that's how she's looking at the minute. So yeah, them razors have made quite a good difference. Quite level. Got some vortex fins to go on top as well, that'll make up the difference. That's where we're gonna leave the video today. I'm gonna probably, hopefully if the weather's decent tomorrow, I'm gonna try sort this out for end fins, and hopefully get that on. That's if the weather's alright. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Car's finally getting there. Oh, it's looking somewhat better than what it has been. It's taking shape. Nice to see the plans coming together. So if you've enjoyed this video, remember, like button, subscribe, leave a comment below what you think, and yeah, what are we doing today? Make it different. See you later, guys.